Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to Klutakklutik.com. Selamat pagi dan selamat datang di Klutakklutik.com. Today we are going to be replacing the remote battery of Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, or maybe it's the same like Expander and Mitsubishi Outlander. So this is the key. There's the Mitsubishi logo. So the first thing that you want to do is first you push this, then you pull out the key. So that's the key. Then if you can see properly, there's a little hole there, a small hole. Then you must have a minus screwdriver. Then you put the screwdriver in the hole. Then you twist the screwdriver. See? So there it is. So to pull the battery, you must pull it from the top using a screwdriver. Sorry, this screwdriver is too big. Use the smaller screwdriver. Pull it from the top. Then pull the battery. So this is the battery. The battery type is 2032. Then replace it with the new battery. Then you put it back. You must put it from the top, from the bottom. So you put it from the bottom first. Then you push it. Then you put the key back. And that's pretty much it. And then you put this key back too. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Klutakklutik.com and see you. Goodbye.